Joe Tech Tips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land.
RTX 5050. RTX 5060. RTX 5070. RTX 5080. RTX 5090 Ti.
In a world of bytes and bits, where tech can make us trip, there's a guru with a knack for every digital tip. Joe Tech's the name, he's the one you'll seek. From gadgets to software, he's the one you'll meet. So if your tech's in a tangle, don't you fear. Joe Tech's here, let his advice draw near. With his help, you'll surely find in this digital world peace of mind. Joe Tech Tips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land. With his wisdom and his wit, every tech woe will surely fix it.